Hi, I'm Jamie from Write On with Jamie, and today we're going to discuss prepositions in writing. But first, we need to determine what prepositions and prepositional phrases are and why they are important to your writing. Regardless of the subject you're writing about or the audience you're writing for, when you write, you need to arrange your essay, research paper, narrative, etc., so your readers can understand and follow the ideas that you are presenting. A preposition is a word which demonstrates a logical relationship with other words within a sentence. By highlighting time, place, and direction, they usually precede nouns or pronouns, and they're the kind of words we don't think about too much. But the thing with prepositions is that there are so many of them, 150, that half the time they are usually unnecessary. It's where the writer places the prepositions that make them more effective. A well-placed preposition can actually be a very positive and constructive tool in your writing toolbox. That's because it's a very simple tool that helps create a little bit of dramatic effect or sense of atmosphere, or when a writer wants to emphasize a point succinctly. Without them, your writing might seem a little boring or unclear. If you insert prepositions in the wrong place or use the wrong preposition, it will make your writing hard to follow. Using the correct preposition in the right place can create a dramatic effect, allow you to finish sections of your writing with a statement of intent, give a sense of immediacy, make a direct point, and ask rhetorical questions. The key is to use them sparingly to add the right effect for when it matters and to not overuse them. Now you might be asking, Jamie, how can I not only add prepositional phrases to my writing, but also make sure I'm using them correctly? I am so glad that you asked. Today we're going to cover how to identify and use prepositions and prepositional phrases. So let's begin. Good writers are those who keep the language efficient. In other words, making what you write easy to read and understand is a basic part of good writing. Prepositions will help you make your writing clear and easy to follow. Also, you will be utilizing 2 of the 6 traits of writing when you use prepositions in your writing. First is word choice, because using the correct preposition will make your writing clearer and easier for your reader to understand. Your sentences will effortlessly fit together. Second is sentence fluency, because prepositions will make your sentences flow from sentence to sentence without being choppy, begin in various ways, and help add different types of sentences to your writing. Now, let's quickly review what prepositions are and how they function before we begin discussing prepositional phrases. A preposition is a word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrases to other words within a sentence. They act to connect the people, objects, time, and locations of a sentence. Prepositions are usually short words, and they are normally placed directly in front of nouns. A good way to think about prepositions is that they are the words that help glue a sentence together. They do this by demonstrating position and movement, possession, time, and how an action is completed. So what is a prepositional phrase? At the minimum, a prepositional phrase will begin with a preposition and end with a noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause, which will be the object of the preposition. The object of the preposition will often have one or more modifiers to describe it. These are prepositional phrase patterns. The first pattern is preposition plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. The second pattern is preposition plus modifier or modifiers plus noun, pronoun, gerund, or clause. If you have the worksheet for this lesson, you can pause the video here and answer questions 1 through 8. Review the previous section of the video to help you locate the correct answers. I hope you enjoyed this introduction to prepositions and prepositional phrases in writing. If you would like the entire lesson, click on the links in the description. I have both a middle school and a high school version. The lesson comes complete with both a digital component ready to be used in any learning management system for independent student instruction and a classroom-ready component with PowerPoint and PDFs. Detailed lesson plans and the rest of this entertaining instructional video complete the lesson. This resource is also part of a sentence fluency and grammar bundle that includes the following lessons: adverbs, comma splices, commas in a list, complex sentences as transitions, complex sentences, compound sentences, sentence fragments and run-on sentences, gerunds, prepositions and prepositional phrases, and transition words. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Right on!